Hello, Form 5 Science. We finished everything about engine. Okay, and now we start another new title that is worse compared to engine 嗰個參。Okay, but 不要管它啦嚇，應應啦。The concept of speed, velocity, and accelerations. Speed, velocity, accelerations. Okay, for speed and velocity, if you check dictionary 英汉字典啊 ，speed they call 速度 ，velocity 速度，兩個都叫速度 ，acceleration 就叫加速。Okay, so now page number 6第六面 ，Okay, page number 6第六面。来 starts. So what's mean by distance? 什麼叫 distance? Okay, 距離啦。The total range traveled by an object. 某某東西總共走過的一個長度的路。Copy. And depends on the road taken. The distance actually depends on the road taken. 要看你走什麼路啦，長和短。Okay. Or any example, 我們來看 example. This is your house and this is tuition center. Okay? But now your house and tuition center actually join together 啦。Your computer 就是你的 tuition center and I'm here. Okay? Hi. Okay. So, what's mean by distance? Distance means the total range traveled by an object. Depends on the road taken. 要看你走哪一條路。So 這個叫 distance. You can label on your notes. 可以 label 在你的 notes. Distance 就是你走過的路。Depends on the road taken. 要看你走什麼路了。It can be A, it can be B, it can be C, it can be D. 對不對？ So this is distance. But today I want to give you another new terms, 新的一個 terms, okay? Displacements. 什麼叫 displacement? 距離啦，字典又講距離啦。Okay, copy slowly, 整理一下，抄完我們才講。They're having almost the same meaning, 他們的意思幾乎一樣。But a bit different, 不過卻不一樣。Displacements, okay, 距離。The distance directly from start to finish. Okay, so the distance directly from start to finish, from your house to the tuition center, from here to here, 這種就叫 displacement. 就好像距離，不過它是沒有彎來彎去的。Okay, so the distance directly from start to finish, from A directly go to C, 這種叫 displacement， 也是一種距離，不過它直直去的。Okay, your starting point and finishing point are unchanged. 起跑點、終點永遠都不會變。Thus, the displacement is the same. 這個距離就永遠一樣了，對不對？ Okay, so distance can be changed. Depends on the road taken. 要看你走什麼路。But displacement cannot change because displacement means the distance directly from A to C. And the starting point, ending point, okay, finishing point unchanged, so 你的 displacement 永遠不變。So distance can change, but displacement will be always the same. But why so difficult? Give you so many terms and what's the difference? For example, for us, we drive our car, and our car sometimes using different type of road based on Google, what Google tell us, 對不對？ So 這種叫 distance， 我們用的叫 distance 啊，因為我們每天駕車 normal 嘛。But some of you, your boyfriend, girlfriend, they are pilot 駕飛機的。So for pilot, okay, when they having the aeroplanes or helicopter, can they follow the road and go to your house? 他要來的時候，他需要跟着那些馬路走嘛 ，and come to your house and waiting traffic light with you together. 沒有啊。So for pilot, for train 火車 ，okay, they were going to using the words displacement will be more suitable for them. Displacement 就比較適合他們了 ，okay。如果我是 pilot， 我要講話的時候the displacement from here to here， 人家不明白我在講什麼。為什麼 ？I am pilot， 因為我是飛機師。Okay, so 這個叫 displacements，you can label on your notes， 可以畫在你的 notes。Okay, so something to add. So to state the displacements, we need to include the direction of the distance. So if you want to using the words called displacement, you need to include the words directions. 你一定要讲起提到你的方向 directions. For example, if you tell me, the displacement of the tuition center from my house is 5 km. The displacement of the tuition center from our house is 5 km. Okay, but it can be 5 km here. It can be 5 km here. It can be 5 km 这边. It can be 5 km 悉尼，对不对？ So if you using the words displacement, you please tell me the directions, or you maybe give me the GPS location 它是哪里到哪里。So you have to state the direction from here to here 5 km. 要讲方向的 pilot 我谣言哦。Okay, 谣言哦。Next. So displacement between 2 points are same, but the distance may be different, 对不对？ So displacement 永远不变 ，distance 就一直在变。Okay, so this is a difference between displacement and distance. Okay, that's all for this video. I continue another video. 我会再讲下一个 video 新的东西不啦。And I need distance displacement. 我要用到这两个字了。拜拜。